actually really nice. This is large. This is big enough for 2 people, 2 adults, multiple kids. You could definitely fit probably 1 adult, 2 kids. I mean, if the kids, I mean, this is really nice. Like, this is just really nice. So guys, it comes in this very nice carrying bag. Alright guys, this is the size of it in without it being inflated. So make sure you guys have this on before you inflate it, or you're gonna get nowhere. This is just to release the air really fast. Alright guys, so right in here you have inflate and you have deflate. So you can inflate it and deflate it with this. This is just for pretty much, you know, if you don't have electric somewhere and you need to fill it up with air, or empty it with, you know, release the air if you don't have power. So open this up, go ahead and pull out your plug. Now this will work with most power inverters. It doesn't take that much watts. Let me see. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and inflate. Wow, that is fast. Okay guys, so you may wonder why I was laying on here while it was inflating. Well, I was doing that because I wanted the air to form to my body. For example, if you inflate it and you're not on it, then when you get on it and lay on it, it's actually going to sink down in more because it filled up based off of no pressure on top. So that's why I got on this. This is actually nice. Now, when you get off, obviously, you're going to see that it sinks down in like here. Well, that's because there's something that I need to point out for all of these air mattresses. Like, some people complain, oh, in the middle of the night it's kind of sagging or whatnot. You see, when you have pressure on here, the more pressure, the more weight you have on here, the more the air expands the plastic inside. And the more the plastic expands, it's not going to be as tight as when you first filled it up. And a lot of people think, oh, it must be leaking. No, that's just how these work. So the more pressure, obviously, if you have someone really lightweight that's on here, it's not going to sag down in as much during the night and by morning. But this is, you can even lay like this. If you wanted to sleep at an angle like this, you could probably fit 2 adults and a kid. I mean, this is really nice. I like this a lot. This is going to be awesome for camping. Really, really nice. And all you need is a power generator, a portable power station, solar power station, and you can power this and fill this right up. Now, let's go ahead, and by the way, it is soft, and that's without any covers or padding. Like, this is really nice. I am impressed. Like, I'm a 200-pound guy, and I'm very impressed with this. Like, this is a really nice mattress. I mean, wow. Man, I really am impressed. This is awesome. This is really, really nice. Now let's go ahead and try the release the air. Oh guys, that was actually a really awesome feature. So it automatically turned off. So once it deflated, it automatically turned off by itself. That's awesome, guys. Overall, I'm super impressed with this. So guys, for putting it away, what you do is you fold the left corner, you fold the right side, and now this will allow you, then you fold it one more time like this. Now I'm doing it with one hand, a little hard here, but you just fold it like that, and then you roll it up and put it in the bag.